My name is Johnson. I am from Converse City. My register number is URK18CS213. Today I will discuss about basic Linux commands in operating system. Okay, in September 1991, while at the University of Helsinki, the Torvalds was invented the Linux command basic operating system. He is a graduate student from the university. He he began to work on his own operating system, which eventually became the Linux kernel, which he was invented by the Linux software, which it can access any devices like Windows, OS, etc. Okay, when we see the use of the Linux began its extends as a server OS and has become useful as a desktop OS. It can also be used on all of these devices. For example, the laptops where there are Windows, Linux operating system, OS, uh, all all the softwares which have preferred that the software is installed in that laptop. Okay, today we will discuss about the basic Linux commands in operating system. Okay, so today we will discuss about 19 questions on basic Linux commands. Okay, first question is create a directory with your name. How to create a directory with your name? Let's see the how to create that directory with the directory is created with a mkdir. Okay, to create a directory here we can see the mkdir make directory command created a new directory. We can create a new directory to a Linux software. If directory already it will return an error message. If suppose for example mkdir, my name is Johnson. If I type mkdir Johnson, if it exits in the predefined that predefined predefined directory, it shows an error message that this directory is exists. If it is not, then it goes to the next and we can create a directory mkdir Johnson. If the syntax we can see that mkdir directory name, that I have told the example in that mkdir Johnson. Here one example mkdir student. Let's perform the how to create a directory in the Sigwin software mkdir Johnson. See, the directory is created and it shows to the next step. If you want to see the directory is created is or not, let's the ls command list of all that which we have created a files or directories or which we have stored the files that all will stored in this ls. Let's see here, these are all the files which I have previously created, where when we can see here Johnson, it is the directory created successfully with Johnson. If for example if you want to create, if how the error message comes an if there is an exist directory, which for example see, I am creating mkdir Bezwada Johnson. If Bezwada Johnson the file is already exit in the directory, it's showing the error message that cannot create directory Bezwada Johnson file exits. If the file will exit in that, it will show an error message that the file exits. If the file is not there in the predefined software, it goes to the next step and we can see that the directory is created or not. That the command is ls. Now next go to the next command. We'll go to the next command. Navigate to the created directory. To navigate the created directory, or that we want to go to the step by step into the directory to the farm. Let's do that. Cd dot cd. I'm going to the which I have created previously Johnson command. Let's it goes to the Johnson inner of that command. Then To come out of the inner command, let's cd dot space. Okay, now ls. I have came out of the inner directory of the Johnson. To go to the directory, the command is cd Johnson. To come out of the to come out of the directory, cd dot ls. See, when I enter ls, it's showing the commands that which I have created, that all files. It's showing that you have come out of the file. Now we will go to the next question. Next question: create a file employee details.txt with the following input. To create a file like employee details.txt, that is a shell. To create a shell, there are three types. One, vi. We can write a command vi with following file name, and another one, cat. Cat, we can write with cat, can create a file name. Another method is touch. Is the file name which we cannot create anything in that. It is an empty file which we cannot write anything. To create an empty file, the command is touch. To create a shell, there are three types: vi, cat, and touch. And we can see the cat. It is used to create a file with content. We can write content in the cat file with following file name, and we can concat two or more file contents. We can add cat file name. For example, syntax is cat file name, example cat file 1 or Johnson, anything you want to create. It is used to create file without content. This is the third command which I have told. To create a shell content, it is used to create file without content. ls is the list the contents of the folder which it returns. Okay, let's create a file in sequence software. Cat redirection symbol following file name. In the question, it's told that to create a file name with employee details dot text. Okay, cat redirection symbol employee details dot text. Wait. Okay, I have created a file that cat redirection symbol file name. Okay, the question is employee id, employee name, project domain, joining year. Let's create that information which is given. 081 employee id Arun networking 2013. Now I have created a content in that file name according to the question. According to the question, employee ID, employee name, details, project domain details, joining year. To save this file, the instruction is Control D, which saves the file. And to see the file and to see the content inside the employee details text, its command is cat following employee details text. See, cat employee it's showing the details I have saved. To know file is created or not, ls command which shows the content which I have created, employee details text. Okay, we have told that to create a shell there are three. One's va following file name, second one is cat according to the file name, and touch according to file name. Touch creates the empty file name. Cat we can add content into that, as well as according to the vi file name also we can add the content. For example, to create a vi file name, I'll show the example. Vi according to the os4.text. I have created a file name vi4 os4.txt. It's showing the it telling the last at the new file. To edit this file, we have to press enter I insert and we can edit that. Hello Johnson, I am a new file. Okay, to save this, escape wq. Okay, have created the file. To show the file is created or not, the command is ls. See os4.txt is there. To view that content, to view that to view that content inside the vi. Okay, we have seen the how to create the vi, how to create the touch to the file name johnson1.txt. What we have discussed, touch, we cannot edit any content, it creates only the empty file name. Okay, let's go to the next question. Display the number of employees working under software testing domain from the employee details.txt. In the fourth question, it is asking employees. We have created before that employee detail.txt file name. In that, in the project domain, there are two-person working under software testing. It's fourth question. It is telling that to display how many members are working under project domain of software testing. The command we can know that grep command. It its counts are it counts the number of persons who are working under product domain of software testing. The grep command we can use to search the elements in that file or the content. Okay, we'll search for software for testing grep. C means to count the number of software testing according to the file. What we have to search in that file? Software testing. We have to search in that file. Okay, according to the file name. File name what? Employee details dot text. See, displays 2. Okay, I will show the file. See, in this content, the software testing members are Sam and Vinay. It shows the same the grep employee details dot text. In that software testing members are 2. Okay, we will go to the next question. Next question, display the file in a sorted order with respect to their year of joining. Okay, we have created a content in the employee detail.txt. No, it is asking to sort the file according to their year of joining. Okay, in that file, the year of joining are in jumbling order. We want to sort it according to the year of joining of the members. For example, here 2013, 1998, 2002, 2002. The sorting method means we have to get 1998 first, afterwards 2002, 2002, after 2013. It should be sorted according to their year of joining. The command is sort. The sort command helps to sort the order of the year of joining members. Okay, let's compile in the software. Okay, here we have typed sort minus k. One represents the according to their ascending order. Ascending means small to big. One represents ascending order. If we press minus k, two represents the descending order. Okay, according to the file name. See, 1998 first, 2002, 2002 again to it's sorted according to their year of joining. Okay, you can see the output in this also. Display the file name according to the file name. It would show previous also. Navigate to the create directory. We have created all these created directory with your name. Okay, next go to the next question. Next question, create a new file employee details backup the text with same content as employee details the text. Okay, here we have to create a new file. To create a new file, what is the command? We have created first mkdir. First we have to create a new file of employee details backup the text. Okay, let's create a directory mkdir employee details 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 backup dot text. Sorry. Okay. Here create a new file. It's telling the not directory. It's creating a new file. To create a new file, there are three: touch, cat, and va. Okay, we will create a file cat redirection symbol employee details backup dot text. Okay, to save the file, how to save the file? Control D. Let's how to say the file is it is created or not. Command is ls. Here see the details backup the text. Is there the question 50% of half is completed. The next it's telling that we have to create a new file. That's over. It's completed with same content as employee details the text. Okay. In previous we have created that employee details the text. We have created a content. The same content we have to create in employee details backup dot text. Okay, of we have to type all this always. It should it takes some time to create in that content same as well as. Okay, the command to rectify that file to rectify that time, the command is copy command cp. The command is copy command cp, which we have to copy the content to the employee details backup dot text. The command is c. Some members have a doubt which file we have to enter the first to copy the content. The first we have to create to type the command to write a file name is source, which is the source file. Employee details dot text is the source file. Destination file is employee details backup dot text. Okay. Employee details dot text. This is the source file. Gap employee details backup dot text. Okay, now the content in the employee details dot text is copied successfully to the employee details backup dot text. To see that is successful, it is copied to the employee details backup dot text. To see that cat employee details backup dot text. You can see that it is successfully copied the content from source file to the destination file. If somebody have a doubt that if we copy the content from source file to destination file, is if the content in the source file the content in the source file is available or not. To see that cat employee details dot text, it is not renaming the file name to the others, just copying the source file to the destination file. The content in the source file will not be disabled, it will be always enabled. I have executed here, you can see that it just the copy command which the source file to the destination file. Okay, next We'll see the next question. Okay, here I have previously told that rename. Okay, now the rename question has came to our friend. Rename the file employee details backup.txt to secure.txt. To rename the file name, what is the command? mv command. The mv command helps to rename the file employee details backup.txt to secure.txt. How to create a secure.txt? I have told before that to create a secure.txt, you have to have a shell command. That shell, there are three. That command is cat va touch. Okay, here we can't rename the file directly. We have to use the command, that mv command. Here the first file name is source to destination. First file is employee details backup.txt to secure.txt. Okay, I'll I will ask. Okay, I will execute that mv employee details backup.txt text to secure.txt. See here, the file name is successfully created or not? No. Why? How to create a file name? Create a To create a file name, we have the command, that cat command. Okay, now we will create a file name. Okay, we will create a file name with. Okay, here we can see that to rename that file, mv employee details the source file with the destination file. It is successfully renamed that employee details backup.txt file to secure.txt. To see that secure.txt command is created or not, command is ls. Secure.txt command is successfully created, and the we have to view the content means cat secure.txt. It is renamed. We have a doubt that if we rename the file as secure.txt, if the content in the employee details backup.txt will available or not. Yes, when I executed that cat employee details backup, no such file or directory. It's saying that means we have renamed that file name to secure.txt. We have not copied that content to the another file. We have renamed. Renamed means we have renamed, and we have content to the another file or directory. Now the file or content in the source will not be available. Okay, next, see the next question. How many files are available under our DVV? Okay, to see the files under the DVD. Okay, we have to see the files under DV. The command is cd means chain directory slash DEV. Okay, to see the files under CV, the command is ls. It's showing the file names. How many files are there in the DEV means the ls cell. Ls cell means the, it counts the number of files under DEV. The command is lsl. See, these are the files under DEV. Okay, we will go to the next question. Okay, display the inode number and access permission of the file employee details dot text. What is inode number? It is an internal representation of a file which includes the status of a owner of the file, ID of the file, the permission of the file. To know that inode number of this specific file name, here the question have shown that we have to display the inode number of employee details.txt and access permission of the employee details dot text. What is access permissions of the file? Let's see. In this, here there are CRW, RW, RW. These are read write. These are the access permission of the fuse file. Here read and write are the only access permission of the file. There are three access permissions to the specific file. There are read, write, and execute. To here, some files have the DRW. D means directory file. It is if the file contains directory, it shows the directory file. Here only all are here. When we see that directory also have the read, write, execute function. It's asked that to access permission employee details dot text. Okay, to display the inode number. Okay, to display the inode number, the command is ls command. It shows the content of the directory which we have created the directory files, all that files, as I means inode number of that specific file name employee details dot text. It's showing cannot access employees, no such file or directory. Okay, we will see in the sequence software ls minus I employee details dot text. Okay, it's showing the inode number of the specific file. What it's telling, we have to access the permission. We have to access the permission of that specific file. Here when we see the when we see the employee details dot text permissions, all read, write, execute functions are available to this employee details dot. Okay, we have the file that employee details dot text. We have to access the permission to that specific file. The command is chmod. Chmod change mode of the user. If the user has, for example, the user has the file example os1.txt. If it has only the access permission of read and write, he also want to add the access permission of that file as execute. To execute, to add the execute the permission to that file, the command is chmod, change mode of the user. 7 means it displays the execute according to the file name. To access the permission of the three, that read, write, execute. Here when we see employee details dot text file name, here the file name has the access permission of read, write, execute. To delete the access permission of the specific file of the method, for example, if I want to delete the access permission read, if you want to delete that read access permission, the command is chmod user u minus user of that file minus what we have to delete that are according to the file name. For example, I will show that chmod u minus r according to the file name. Okay, to display that ls minus li. When we see that it has also the read and write function, but we have to add that we have to add chmod 777 employee details dot text c ls minus li. It's again specific to the read and write command to the access the permission of that file. Okay, next see the next question. Display the current time. To display the current time, the command is date. date. The date command shows all the month, date, year, as well as time, as well as week of the day. The now time is 5:26. Displays the time, and the question it is asked according to the, and display also the July month of the year 2017. To display the July month of the year 2017, cal July 2017. It shows the specific month of the 2017 calendar. When you see that cal, the command is cal month and year. Enter the year. In online.corner.edu, we have to enter cal 7 2017. It shows the specific month of the 2017 in the current to the command. Okay, next see, next question. Display the username. Whoever is logged into the system now, save it into the file last.txt. Okay, here for example, I don't know my name. I want to display my name. I am logged into the Linux software. To know that the username of my I am access to the Linux or not, command is who am I. See, it shows my registration number of the which I have logged into that. Okay, here see it is used to find out the current user of the terminal. I am the current user of the Linux software, so it displays the my name. When I try in the Sigwin software, who am I? It displays my name. I am the current user of this terminal. So to access, okay, you want to know how many members are logged into the online.1.edu. The command is who command. Command is who command. See, these are all the members of the terminal of these users. The user are 0012721. These all are the users of this terminal. What's the question? The question is we have to save the all users and send it to the logs.txt. To save that, we have to send that all users to the another file who redirection symbol question which file logs.txt. Permission denied, it's asking. Okay, let's see in this. Okay, see who the command who what tells the current users of the terminal. The question according to this, we have to save the users and send it to the logs.txt. Successfully I have sent to the logs.txt, and to see the users in that file, the command is cat logs.txt. It has saved to the registration numbers according to the users of the terminal. Okay, let's go to the next question. How many words are present in the file employed details dot text? To know the number of words in the content of employee details dot text, to know the number of words in the employee details dot text, wc minus w the words of the employee details dot text. It displays 27 words are there in the employee details dot text. We can see the lines, characters, example. To see the lines in that specific file, employee details dot text, it shows there are 9 lines in the employee details dot text. To see the characters, to see the characters of this file, command is wc minus m employee details dot text. It shows the number of 308 characters are there in this file. Okay, we will go to the next question. Find the terminal number. To know the terminal number, the command is tty. Command, it shows the terminal I am working in. The tty command shows that the terminal I am working in. Okay, now execute that tty. It shows the root according to the directory. Okay, we'll go to the next question. Create an empty file and input the contents into the file. Display the first 3 lines of the file. We know that to create an empty file, what is the command? That touch command. Touch command. Okay, display the first 3 lines of the file. Okay, to create that file, we have the touch command. For example, touch user dot text. Okay, I have entered the touch command. It created only the empty it displays only the empty file. To add the content to that file, one is cat redirection symbol friend. For example, I'm taking the friend file text. Yeah, I'm adding some content to that friend.txt file. Hello. So I am user. Happy learning. Happy learning. Good. And bye. I have entered the content in the friend.txt file. To save that content, we have told that control T, and to view that friend.txt is created or not, the command is ls. You can see the friend.txt command is created. Now we want to send that information to the touch command, touch user.txt file. To send that, we have the command that copy command. You know that copy command friend dot text to user dot text. Okay, now the friend dot text content is copied to the touch command. Now when see that cat user dot text, it shows the content. I have copied the friend dot text content to the user dot text. Successfully it is copied. Now to see the available content is there in friend.txt or not, to see that cat friend.txt. Oh, I have entered wrong. Friend.txt. Here see the content is available. Okay, here the question it is displayed that we have to create an empty file. We have created user.txt with touch command. Okay, and inputs the content into the file. Okay, we have created a new file, that cat friend.txt, and we have input the contents in that, and we have copied that contents to the empty file of user.txt. Now the other question is display the first 3 lines of the file. To display the first three lines, what is the command? Head command displays the first 10 lines of the 10 lines of the content. Okay, and another command is tail command. Tail command shows the last of the 10 content it will be shown. Now let's display in this. Okay, I want to display only three lines. It's three. Can you user.text user.text, it shows only the first three lines. I have okay, head command displays 10 lines. Okay, I want only the three lines of content. It shows the hello, I am user, happy learning. To display the tile means it shows the last of the thing. I want to display tile now. Tile minus user.text, it shows the last two, that is good and bad. Okay, we have successfully executed that. Now we will see in this. Okay, I have created touch command. I have imported all that content into the cat file os.text, and I have copied that cat information to the special.text, and I have displayed that it is successfully copied. I want to display only three lines of the first three lines. The command is head command, and it displays the first three lines. Now okay, let's go to the another question of in the format. Okay, display the content under your home directory including here. The question is, what is the question? That display the content under your home directory including. Okay, to display the content under home directory, the command is cd pwd. Pwd command, it displays the which home directory I am there. ls nsa command displays the hidden files of the command that ls nsa. Let's execute in this. cd pwd. I have now home directory of Bezora Johnson, and to display the hidden files, the command is ls. It displays all the hidden files in the command. Let's next go to the another question. Create a alias name unhidden for the command to display files including hidden alias. Okay, to see that we will see in this. Okay, create alias name unhidden. Okay, I have created alias unhidden, and to display files including hidden. Okay, I have created a alias name with unhidden. Okay, and to display the hidden, what is the command? That ls minus a. Okay, now execute in this. Alias unhidden equal to ls minus hidden. Okay, I have inserted commas that we should not insert that. We'll try again. Okay, we have to create a alias name which is unhidden. Alias unhidden and equal to display the under home directory or hidden files, the command is ls a. Okay, unhidden. Okay, when we see that unhidden, these are all the files which is unhidden under the home directory. Here when we say that alias is the unhidden file, boss.text is unhidden, hr johnson mk example, these all are the unhidden files of the example of this unhidden. Okay, now accidents, what is the process id of the shell you are using? We have to display that process id. We have to display the process id means the command is to display the id, the command is echo dollar dollar echo sorry CH. echo dollar dollar. It displays the triple eight. This is my shell ID. Okay, next go to the another question. Create a directory named HR, then move all the files from your home directory to the HR directory. Okay, now we will see that question. Here, create a directory named HR. Okay, I have created the directory named as HR and move all from home directory to the HR. Okay, I have created here HR directory. To move all the files from order to the HR directory, the command is mv johnson /HR, and to change directory cdhr, and ls displays all the content in the HR, and it shows that all the content which I have worked later HR before that, all the files which are displayed in this HR command, HR under directory, employee details, backup data, employee details data. These are all the files which I have under the HR command. Okay, now let's discuss the another question. Change the mode of the owner along with the execute permission for secure.txt. To change the mode of the owner, the command is ch mode, that is change mode user. Okay, let's do that question. What is that file name? Secure.txt. See, that's here the secure.txt function is there to display that what are the files executed, that secure.txt file. Here see the files are only the execute functions are there. Okay, the question we asked that we have to access only the secure dot function. Let's see in this. Okay, first to display that ls minus ls command. Okay, if here the secure.txt has the file permissions as read and write. Okay, the question we have asked that we have to access the permission only execute permission we have to access to secure.txt. Okay, here there are commands, there are the access permission of read and write. To remove that all, the command is chmod u minus r secure.txt. It removes the read, and again we have to remove the write function chmod u minus type secure.txt and remove, and to add only the secure.txt to display that chmod 111 secure.txt. To only access the execute function, the command is chmod 777 secure.txt. We have done it before that. Okay, the file has only the execute permission is there only to the secure.txt. Okay, we will access to the another file specific. Okay, we will access special.txt is there. Here we will access to that chmod u minus r special dot text ls minus li. Okay, it displays now chmod. Again, to remove the read command, u minus w special dot text. Okay, ls minus li will display the file name, display all the under total. There are 27 files are under. Now see, there is only the execute function is there to the secure.txt. Okay, now we have to access the execute function to the special.txt. What is the command? That chmod execute function is 111 special.txt to display that ls minus li. Okay, see, the special.txt has only the execute permission to the file. These are the questions we have discussed, the 19 questions, and we have discussed the different commands to the specific question. Now we will display content, and we will recall that all commands which we have discussed. That commands, ls command we have discussed this. Ls list the contents of the folder from which it runs. ls command stores all the information which I have created, the directory, file names, all this displays. Mkdir, we know that to make a new directory, the syntax is mkdir and follows the directory name. touch command, we know that touch displays which create a shell without any content. The cat, it is used to create a file with content. We have to remember that the, to create a shell there are three: cat, va, and touch. In cat we can create a content in the specific file name, but in touch we will not create any content. It displays, so it creates only the empty file. Now we can compare to the cat. Again, that cp, we have know that it copies a file from one location to another location. We have to remember that copy source file and destination file. And cd, it is a change directory name. mv command, which we can rename the directory of the file. Now pwd, it prints the current working directory with full path name from terminal. Uyame, it is used to find the current user. It displays current user of the terminal. Grep, we have used the grep command for, we have to search, it searches the given file for lines containing match to given strings or words. Now it searches the specific content which we have which we have displaced the, which we have, for example, we have created that template details dot text. Now we will see again that cat employee details dot text. I have displayed all the contents under this cat file name. Grep keyword searches the content count. See here, just the grep counts the number of lines or words which we have developed, which we have given. Grep Siemens counts, and we have given here development in the content which we have created in the employee details.txt file. Here the development has only the one, so it displays the development is only the one member under the project domain. Head command displays the first 10 lines of the given file. Tail displays the last 10 lines of the given file. Echo prints the text on the standard output. For example, the echo command, echo hello, input and output it gives. If we display this, displays the commas also, display command not, okay, sorry, command Johnson. Okay, it is the input and output file source. Like for example, in the C language, that we have that printf and scanf function. Here the command is echo command, which you can input and output of that, input and output of the input and output of the file. Okay, it is a built-in alias. It is a built-in shell command that let you name or log command are frequently used. That history means the history of long list of executed commands in terminal. I will see my history in this history. This all the files I have worked in this terminal. It displays the history, which displays all the history under which I have worked in the terminal. It is used for changing the password. A date, it prints the current date and time on the standard output and can further be set. I have displayed before the date command, which displays the month, year, as well as time and date. Okay, the command is cal commander, which display the calendar of this specific month. Now this is the August month. Now it shows the August month. To access this specify of that calendar of that month. If I want to display that I want to display that 1998 calendar, it displays the 1998 whole calendar. If I want to specific only June calendar, it displays cal 6 6 1998. It displays only the specific month of that year. Clear command it used to clear the screen. Clear it clears all the screen. Okay, now we will recap that all the commands which we have used to the questions. Create a directory with your name. We have used the command mkdir command which uses to create a new directory and navigate to the created to go inside of that created directory. The command is cd command and according to the file name which I have created the directory cd Bezwada Johnson, and to come out of that file the command is cd space dot dot, and to know that you are out of the file or not, the command is ls command. It displays all the files you are out now. Mm, Now the third question is create a file employee details the text with the following input to create a file names to create a shell or file names. There are three methods that cat touch and vi. Here I have used the cat command which displays which we can edit and create a content in that file. To create the content all this, and to know that file name is created under the command is ls command. It shows the content which I have created, displays the number of employees working under software testing. We have used that command as grep command which searches the specific word or lines of the specific command. Display the file in a sorted order, which we have seen the command that's we were to display the specific file of content in the sorted order according to the year of joining. We have used the sort command, and to create a new file employee dot backup dot with same content as. To copy the same content to the another file, we have used the command as cp command which uses to copy the same content to the another file name. You have to remember that if we display the if we copy the command of source to the destination, the source content will not be erased. It will just it is just copying the to the another file. It will not delete the source content in that file. We have to remember that. Rename the file employee details backup.txt to secure.txt. To rename the specific directory or the file, the command is mv command, and the source following to the destination. How many files are under dev means we have to display that change directory or dev. It displays all the ls commands, and we have to press ls and displays all the content according to the that content. And how many files are there under that means the command is ls minus li. It counts the number of total of the commands. Display the inode number. To display the inode number, it represents the representation. It will represent internal representation of a file and the owner of the file and the access permission of the file it displays. And to create that we have created that. Okay, we will discuss according to the screenshots. Yeah, inode number ls minus I to the specific file name employee details.txt. It shows the specific inode number, and the question we asked that we have to access the permission of that file as read write execute. The command is chmod. It choose to change mode of the user, and change of the mode. The 7 represents the execute function as well as the 7 represents the access permission of read write and execute function, and 1 represents only the execute function. Okay, now the another question is display the current time and display July month of the year. To display the current time, we have the command is date command which displays the month, year, and according to the time and week of the day. And we can use the another command as date plus t, displays the specific time. And to access the specific month of the year, the command is cal 7 2017 or cal July or 2017. display the username. Whoever is logged into the system means the command is who command, which displays the which of the users of the terminal, and we have to save to the another file means who redirection symbol and file log status. To display the content under the file log text, the command is cat file logs dot text. How many words are present in the file employee details dot text means the wc minus w employee details dot we have executed the lines characters according to the employee details dot text files. And find the terminal number you are using means to find the terminal number the command is tty command. And to create an empty file we have know that command is touch command. And to display the content under that we have created a cat and cat that was dot text and created a content in that, and we have copied to the touch special dot text. And to display the first three lines the command is head command, and to display the last three lines means that command is tail command. Display the content under your home directory including hidden files means the command is cd command pwd, which shows the which home directory I am there executed presently, which home directory I am there. It represents the okay. ls minus a represents the commands that I am executed in that. Create alias name unhidden means alias unhidden lsa. What is the process id of the shell you are using means to create to know that process id echo dollar dollar. Okay, create a directory named hr. To create a directory the command is mkdir hr, and we have to files from your directory to the hr directory. To have to specify under the hr command hr directory of that commands. Okay, to change the mode of the owner the command is chmod command, and we can execute the permission of the specific file with your you we can delete that specific file permission of that using the command chmod u minus r u minus w, and chmod 1 represents the execute permission of to the specific file name. Okay, thank you. This is all about the basic Linux commands according to the basic Linux commands. Thank you.